Because if there is going to be a mismatch between your qualification and the jobs that are available, then you're not going to be employed. But we would like to assure you, whatever is the decision, because we're very lucky, you have a good city government, the DepEd is working very hard. We would like to assure you that we're going to join your parents in helping you have a bright future. If you're going to have a difficulty going to college, I have a few scholarships that I can offer. I cannot give a scholarship to everybody, but I can give to a few. I have several hundred TESDA scholarships that can give you the technical knowledge and enable you to find work immediately. Para naman masuportahan nyo yung ambisyon nyo para sa kolehiyo. TESDA is working very well. TESDA is very close to where you are. Ang dami ng mga pinag-graduate ng TESDA at tutulungan ng gusto. In fact, just the other day I was reading, Canada is looking for 25,000 Filipinos by TESDA. And I ask you to take a close look at this and I tell you, we are going to help you. Young ladies and gentlemen, parents, I would like to end my talk by reassuring you that Congressman Roy Lugones, together with your other elected officials, are one with you in pursuing your dream, in praying you are going to have a bright future ahead of you. Kasama niyo kami sa inyong panalangin, sa inyong pangarap. Lahat ay gagawin namin para makatulong kami sa abot ng aming kakayahan para lahat kayo, without any exception, will have a very good life and a very good future ahead of you. Ang hinihingi lang namin is for you to work hard as well, so that you will deserve the good life that you are praying and dreaming of. So sa inyong lahat, I bid you Godspeed. God bless all of you. Mga magulang,